Hey everybody, this is the last tutorial, the fourth tutorial of my Evari Bodhana Vinay. That's a Varnam, Aidala Varnam in Abhogi Raga. In my last three tutorials, I was teaching you the Swaram part of this entire lesson. In this lesson, this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the Sahityam of this Varna. Only a few Sahityam is there. First, let's sing the Arohana and Avarohana of Abhogi. Sari ga ma dha sa sa dha ma ga ri sa. Pallavi, if you are not okay with the Swaram of Pallavi, then no need to learn this Sahitya, because Swaram is the base of Sahitya. If you are not okay with Swaram, then I suggest you to learn that first and get thorough with that. This is in Telugu language. Evari Bodhana Vinay. Evari Bodhana Vinay. So, how to place this Sahityam to the Swaram? That's what we are gonna learn in this tutorial. Swaram of Pallavi. Ringa garisa Evari sarisa sadamada bodha madasa dasa na dasaringa Vi Maga Garisa Ini. This is how we learn. By cutting all the Sahitya, by giving it totally no meaning. After learning the tune, we can do the phrasing of Sahitya. Yeah, only the Sahityam by phrase. Evari Bodhana Vinay. Then Ilagu Jese. Let's move in detail. Ri gamma gamma ri ga sa ri la da sa ri gamma gu je da ma da sa sa je se da sa da ma se ura ga ma ga ri sa ura. Only the Sahitya phrase by phrase. La gu je se ura. That's the Pallavi. Then the other Pallavi. Javamuganannela arashesha. Javamuganannelara. Ja sa sa da da ja sa sa da ja va da ma sa sa da da ma. Second like sa sa da ja va da ma va mu ja ja java mu 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 ma sa da ma mu ga ga ma ri ma da ga ma ri mu ja wa mu ga mu mu ma da ga ma ri mu ja wa mu ga. I made a mistake. That's ga ga. Ma da ga ma ri ga. Nan da wa mu ga nan nan ga ma ri ga nan ne la ne la. You can break there. Sa re ga ma ne la. Then a ra. That's how we sing. A ra ma da ma ga ri. A ra she sha ga ma da da sa she sha. Only the Sahitya. Ja wa mu mu ga nan ne la a ra she sha. Then chale ge da sari sari chale ge cha da sa. Give a gamaga chale ge. Then dra ga ma ri ga dra shri ma ga ga ri sa shri van van da ga ri sa ri van ga da ri sa ga de sa da ma de swara ma ga ma ga ri sa swara. Only the Sahitya. Chale ye dra shri van ga de swara. Then Chittaswara is not having any Sahitya. Charana is having a Sahitya. It goes like this. Marupa ari korva jalanura. Marupa ari korva jalanura. Maru madhama maru pa da da sa dha ma ri dha dha sa ri korva da sa dha da ma jala ga ma ga ri jala nura sari ga. Only the Sahitya. Marupa ari korva jala nura. Let's come from the beginning. Pallavi. How to phrase this? Evari Bodhana break Vinay. Evari Bodhana Vinay. Okay. And then Ilagu Jese Ura. Ilagu Jese Ura. Then Anupallavi Java Mukha Nannelara. When people sing, they sing like Java. It is not Java, any language like that. It's not Java. It is Java Mukha Nannelara. Java Muga Nannela Arashesha. Here, Java Mukha Nannelara. Then that's having a connection. So I don't, but I don't think people will be able to hold their breath like that. Anyway, let me give it a try. Java mu again. Java mugananela. No, again. Java mugananela Shesha. Then Chalendra. There also people sing like Chale. Chale. It's not Chale. It is Chalendra. Shesha Chalendra. That's the connection. Shesha Chalege. Shesha Chalendra. Shesha Chalendra. Shesha Chalendra. Then Shri Venkadeshwara. But when we are repeating the second portion of Anupallavi, we cannot give connection. We can sing only like Chalendra, Sri Venkadeshwara. So you should practice in either way. Chalendra Sri Venkadeshwara. Okay. Then Charana. Okay, there. Marubari Korva Jala Nura. This is a phrasing. After Marupari, Marubari Korva. There also you can take breath. Jala Nura. Okay. So this is the phrasing which my student taught me. Because I don't know the language Telugu. In some of my previous tutorials also I have received some comments like my Telugu is not good. So I asked one of my students who is a Telugu student, and that student only taught me how to say this language. So if that's good, the credit goes to my student. If that's not good, no problem, I will accept the mistakes. Okay. Anyway, like always, if you are having any opinions or suggestions, you can post them as comments. So that's the end of this tutorial, this lesson, Evari Bodhana Vinay, Adi Tala Varnam in Abhogi Raga. We'll meet you all in my next tutorial. Till that, Till then, keep on practicing, and I hope this was totally a beneficial one for you all. Bye.